Paid $0 just to clean the motor. Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we have to fix the window regulator for my Infiniti G35, the coupe sides. So I have the driver's side, the window motor doesn't work. So today I'm gonna show you how to save money, to not buy the motor, to fix the motor herself, and you save a lot of money, guys. Stay with me, guys. Don't forget to watch the video until the end because there's a lot of tricky stuff. If you don't finish it, you're never gonna know what's going on there. So here we go. So my window pretty much sometimes go down and it's stuck here. It doesn't want to go up, so I have to keep hit it to make the motor work. So the issue I think is the motor block down. So I have to open the motor and see what's going on there. So pretty much if I fix it, you don't need to buy the motor. You just have to fix the motor, what's going on inside of it. So see, guys, stay tuned and see what's going on. Guys, so remove everything. So now we're gonna open all these bolts, 10 millimeters, all of them, and this is for the motor, and we're gonna see inside what's going on there. So okay guys, to fix the window regulator, I have the same problem on my seats. So my seat doesn't want to work, so I did something and the motor start working. So what you have to do, you have to unloose the motor from these sides, Phillips screwdriver. And also guys, see this bolt here, this one was loose. So if this one is loose, mean the regulator doesn't go up and like it be sliding to go up. So this one is loosened, so I have to tie it back because it has a Phillips side to here. So now we're gonna do have to open this side, both sides, and we're trying to fix them like that. We can save a lot of money. So we do like that. Open the first bolt. This is the first one. And it's so hot today in Florida. It's 84 degrees. And this is where we do the job. Oh my God, I wish I was on my job. Today's Sunday, I'm home. And I don't like actually puts AC on my car because sport cars, normal people doesn't use AC to always keep the horsepower. So we're gonna open everything. And I gotta show you what the issue on those ones. Sometimes the magnets on sides of it, they break down. And when the magnet break down, the pieces inside the motor, they let the motor turn on and turn off. So all you have to do, separates the motor sides and clean it if you have to be get clean. Oh yeah, you can tell. Yeah, there's a lot of dirt inside the motor. Motor itself turn, no problem. So we're gonna clean everything and the motor and the sides here. Make sure there is no dirt. If there is some dirt there inside, they make the motor doesn't work properly. And at the same time, we're gonna tighten that bulb because I feel my part that doesn't want to go up fast. So I gotta clean everything. And this one here, this button here is for the reset button. This is the reset button. If you open the window doesn't go down, or they go down, it doesn't go up. So this is the button reset. So we're gonna try to clean everything. Okay guys, so when you open the motor, you see this side here of the one you go to the charcoal sides. Make sure that this white fender is really black, so we have to clean it right. Clean it good. Then go to the motor herself and clean the charcoal. So charcoal was black too, so I cleaned it now, and we're gonna be trying if this is gonna be work. Let's try it. There you go guys, so I spent $0 just I cleaned the motor, cleaned inside everything there. So look at that guys, motor work, I fix it. I spent $0 for the motor, just have to clean the charcoal, clean the everything, the dirt inside. This one you can adjust it from the bottom, make sure it's not tight. Put some grease inside or some oil to make it lubricate inside, and that's it. Now put everything back to the motor and see how it's gonna be. So I cleaned the motor. It was so dirty inside of it. Look all this dirt and dirty. So the trick is to this valve here. You have to adjust the mirror. So this one is not tight, so tight it good. Because they make the motor is not in a place. This one too is good. Then now we're gonna tighten everything. I tighten everything. I tighten this one, tighten the other one, and go test the motor. Finally guys, I fixed the motor, so the car worked fine. I adjusted to be open the door. Look at that guys, you open the door and you got to move a little bit. So let's put the key back and I'll show you. Well, it's a tough day because you have a lot of adjustments. You have to clean everything. Here we go guys, everything worked. So guys, how I told you, so the motor need just get open it and clean on sides. So the charcoal was dirty and you need some adjustments and in need of the motor. And especially when you live in Florida, it's so hard to work on a car daytime, especially in not shop, no fans, no nothing. So please guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Like that we could show you all time new tricks. Thank you guys.